Hey YouTube, welcome back to Luke's Amateur Hour. Today, something I'm going to start getting into my screwdrivers a little bit deeper. I know I've got some other screwdriver chats, but I wanted to talk about just the basics, right? The screwdrivers you probably have in your junk drawer. Probably something similar to this, or maybe even something kind of like these guys. So I want to go over what I like about them, what I don't like about them, and why you should or should not buy them. The Cliff's Notes version coming at you right now, they're worth it. Go ahead and buy them up. They're made in the USA. Right, so these are the Craftsman acetate handles. It's the 8-piece set. I'll put a link in the description of the Sears site. I believe it's the exact same set, but I'll double check that before I link it in. My kid got me these for Christmas 2-3 years ago. I asked for a set of just nice screwdrivers because I had been running around with these guys, and I hate these things. I hate them. So, like, there's, oh man, okay, so they're the Stanley. It came with like the 10-piece set. These are the only two that I still actually use as screwdrivers, and quite frankly, I'm about to retire them because I'm going to put these guys in the use them all the time drawer. So, a couple things. The handle contour is actually kind of nice on the Stanleys. Kind of like them. But the tips are complete garbage. Like, look at that geometry. That's so weird. Who does that? And then, if you saw my 100 subscriber special, I wrecked one of them because the tip was already screwed up. So I only used the 2 Phillips. Because the flathead screwdrivers, they're all chipping and junk. Like, it's junk. Forget it. I like these though. These are my my Craftsman acetate handle 8-piece set. I really do like them. I really do. I don't use them a whole lot because I have the nice German ones, but I really do like these, right? So first off, one thing I really like is, it's stupid, sure, but on the handle, they're color-coded. Red means flathead, and clear handle, totally clear handle, is Phillips head. It's useful. When I'm looking in my drawer trying to figure out which ones I can visually filter out the ones I don't need. Also, it comes in this 8-piece set, and it gives you different sizes. You get the standard flathead width, which is 3/16. You get the thicker flathead width, which is 1/4 inch. It's got the hex shaft. Filter, focus. The hex shaft, and I like that. It makes the tool feel heavy duty. It makes it feel like it's really strong. It's got the hex shaft on the bigger flatheads. Make sure I got you in focus here. Focus. And even the smaller flatheads. The hex shaft on all the flatheads, quite frankly. I kind of wish it had it on the Phillips, but I get it. I get it. It's got the long flathead, the regular flathead, the kind of smaller flathead, and the dinky flathead. And it comes with the little pocket clip for you here. And then the Phillips 1... this is a Phillips 0, right? P0. 0, 1, 2, and 3. Or 1, 2, 2? Yeah, 1, 2, 2. I don't need a P3 because I don't do anything, but I've got the regular Phillips head number 2, and then the long Phillips head number 2. I like the set. It's good. The handle, if you're not going to be using it all the time, all day long, the handle is really good. It feels good in the hand. You can get torque because of the facets on the acetate handle here. And I can do my, I can get my grip with just the fingers there. That's fine. I looked these up, and I believe this exact set is like $12 at Sears. $12 for 8 screwdrivers? That's less than $2 a screwdriver. And I'll be honest with you, I love my German screwdrivers. But these 2 drivers alone, these 2 Filo wood handle flathead Phillips head, these were $12 or $14. $12 probably. I think they were $5 and some odd change. Now, yeah, they got the hammer through, they got the bolster that lets you put, you know, the 10 mil bolster, you can put a wrench on there. But I don't have a Phillips head 0 if I go with these. I don't have a long handle or a long blade one. And I don't have a short blade one. Like, I just got this one, you know. I use those German ones all the time, but as a DIYer, you need some screwdrivers. They need to always work, and you need to not, you're probably going to toss them around a lot, right? Like, you need screwdrivers you can give to the kid. You need screwdrivers to keep in the junk drawer. Voila, check it out. Craftsman screwdrivers. Can't go wrong with this stuff. I love that they're made in USA. I honestly didn't even remember that when I started this review. So that's delightful, actually. So you want a made in the USA screwdriver? It's gonna do yeoman duty for you until you pass them down to your kids. And hey, this one looks big enough to maybe be a pry bar, but you know, whatever. You break it, you take it back, you get a brand new one at the Sears buy it. How can you beat that? Don't get this garbage. It's garbage. Yeah, the handles are nice and they're pretty and they fit in your hand, but the stuff that matters is the blade and the tip, and it's garbage. Don't do that. If you want really nice ones, yeah, sure, go buy the German ones, but these are great for the money. I know my kid bought them around Christmas time. Maybe because they're made in USA, they're a little bit more, but I know she didn't spend more than $18 or $20 for this entire set. And I think I just saw them on the Sears website for $12. $12. I might just buy another set to throw in the car. They're great. Anyway, I'm going to do a comparison at one point between these and some of the other ones and do features and how well they turn, blah, 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 at some point. But I keep coming back to these. I use my German ones a lot, but I keep coming back to these. These are like I gotta beat up on something. I gotta be kind of rough with something. I come and get these. I don't want to break my German ones, and if I break these, I can just take them to the Sears, you know. These are great. I can't recommend these enough. 12, 15, 20 bucks, they're worth it. Yeah, buy these. Don't go to Lowe's or Home Depot and buy their garbage. The Stanley garbage, it's junk. This stuff, worthwhile. So that's it. My name's Luke. I want to know. I want to know what you guys think. Put it down in the comments what you think about these screwdrivers, because most of you guys probably have a set of these screwdrivers. Tell me what you think about them. Throw it in the comments. If you like what I'm saying here, go ahead and hit like. If you like how I talk about stuff, go ahead and subscribe. Again, my name's Luke. I'm an amateur. This one didn't take an hour. You guys have a great day.